Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from M&F Forex Traders. I'm here with the trade breakdown on how we managed to catch about 150 pips on UUSD, which accounted for about 22 risk to reward ratio. So for that and more, watch the rest of the video. All right, so let's just get started right here. So you're going to realize that this was a beautiful trade that we're looking at on USD. Right here, you can clearly see we had a nice rally-based drop supply zone right here with liquidity which was left behind, and then the market started coming to our area right here with nice momentum candles and the rejection. You can clearly see that we had the rejection right there, and guess what? We're able to send this trade signal to our private community. Both we forecasted it and we were able to send it in a signals group, right? And then again, this was a 6 pip stop loss and a 150 pip target. And check out what has happened right now. This is absolutely great. So what we had was price dropped and pushed back for a retracement, and then we've seen the market pushing to the downside with big momentum candles following the news that was released today. This was absolutely amazing. Look at those candles, right? This was absolutely amazing. So if you go back to the uh, 4 hour time frame right here, it was really clear. It's something that you can't afford to actually spot if you know market structure and any supply and demand strategy like we've thought. This is something that you can easily identify, right? So we have a rally based drop supply zone in the direction of the trend. Very important. And then we see the market taking this taking out this liquidity which was left here by big momentum candles. And like I told you guys, whenever you see big momentum candles like this, we're always aware and know that the market is headed toward a tradable area. So we get ready for liquidity to be taken out and then for the market to come to our area of value right here, which was really important. And the market did that, and then we saw the market beautifully dropping to the downside with beautiful momentum. Of course, we had to go to the lower time frame to actually find the order block. So this a week, I can say today, and we've had a lot of beautiful trades which we forecasted and played out amazing. So apart from this 2022 risk reward ratio trade that we're looking at right now, we're able to forecast uh Euro Swiss, not the one we took, which I made about the video about, the other one which we forecasted right here. You can clearly see that we had a rally base drop supplies on right here with liquidity waiting for price to come and react from here. And guess what happened? Price exactly did that just here. So Euro Swiss, you can clearly see that the market did exactly that right here. We have a rally based drop supply zone and liquidity. The market respected this liquidity zone, pushed the downside, and then it came to our level right here. And guess what? This is a 1 to 17 risk to reward ratio. Absolutely amazing. Other than this, we also forecasted GA right here, GBP AUD right here, rally based drop supply zone, liquidity waiting for price to come to that level. And guess what? Price did just that. And you can clearly see that this one is just starting to drop a little bit, and we're just going to give it a chance for it to continue dropping. Otherwise, it's a very setup that it's a very good setup that actually responded nicely. So another setup we sent was the UKO, which was forecasted right here. Let me just show you in a minute. This forecast right here, we had a rally based drop supply zone with equal highs, which we're waiting for it to be taken out. And once we're taken out, would actually jump in. And guess what has happened on UKO? Right here. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Check out. This alone here is about 300 pips, which is a 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio, because the stop loss was like 30 pips. This was absolutely amazing. Check. Really, if you're not in our private community, if you're not in the mentorship community, and you are struggling to become consistently profitable in the market, you are literally missing out.
Why? 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 Why?
Literally. So if you know you've been struggling for a long time and you really need mentorship, ours is a place to be. So make sure you check the first link in the description, which gives you lifetime access to mentorship and signals. We have all that in our mentorship course. All right. So you can clearly see that this trade right here on EURUSD, the kind of setup we had here is what we call a confirmatory entry right here. Let me just show you from our M&F mastery course where we talk about this is the setup we talk about. This is one of the videos on the types of entries right here. This is the kind of setup that you're actually going to have. The market coming to that level, dropping and pushing back there, which you can enter actually twice on this particular trade. And this is exactly what happened here. It's in the market giving that exact same setup right there. So like I said, if you're not in our group, you are clearly missing out. So make sure you check the first link in the description to get access to our M&F mastery course for lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. You guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, let's go.